Here's a migrant family in Ashburton that's really been through the ringer. It's the kind of a story that makes you wonder what's going on with the systems in place to protect people. Their son, a Year 9 student at Ashburton College, was attacked in class last month, left with a fractured eye socket, neck injury, and a concussion. It wasn't just a playground scuffle, it was a serious assault. And yet the family says they've heard nothing from the school about what action is being taken or from the police. The boy's still recovering, and it's unclear when he'll even be able to return to school. For a family trying to settle into a new country, this is a nightmare they didn't see coming. On top of that, the family says they were exploited at work. They were part of the accredited employer work visa scheme, but left their jobs 2 months ago, claiming they were being paid well below the minimum wage, $15 an hour when it should have been at least $23.15. Not only that, they alleged they weren't paid for 400 hours of work. When they left, they say they were kicked out of their rental because it was connected to their employer. Now they've lodged a complaint with the Ministry of Business, Innovation and Employment, and while that's being investigated, they've been granted a migrant exploitation protection visa. Immigration New Zealand says they've received one complaint about the employer, but no further details are available because the investigation is ongoing. The family, understandably, just want justice. They never expected to be in this situation when they came to New Zealand. Thankfully, they've had support from local organisations like Safer Mid Canterbury, the Salvation Army, and St. Vincent de Paul, but it's a tough road ahead for them. It's hard to ignore stories like this because they raise real questions about how we treat migrant workers and how effectively the system responds when things go wrong. You'd hope this is a one-off, but sadly, it feels like we hear these kinds of stories far too often. Before you go, remember that immigration laws change all the time, and all too often, people miss out because they aren't up to date. It's really important to get a handle on immigration, so watch this video to make sure that you're on the right track. Until next time, see you soon.